So, you want to become a better streamer. I was trying to go for a Captain America joke from Avengers, but anyway. Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. I'm moving the microphone closer to my face because I've put off recording this video until late at night. So we're just gonna have to deal with it. Sorry, because someone is trying to sleep literally like right over there. But anyway, point of this video is I want to show you how you can use your DSLR as a webcam for live streaming or perhaps for recording videos from your computer. I wanted to title this video how to use any camera as your webcam, but the unfortunate reality is that not all cameras are created equal and all of them have different purposes. Let me explain. So for example, a camera like a point and shoot is not meant to be hooked up to a computer and used as a webcam. Would it be nice? Yeah, but in this particular case, my G7X has no ports to be able to do what we're going to be doing in this video. However, my Canon 80D can be used as a webcam, and the reason I'm making this video specifically with the Canon 80D is because it's usually not listed as a camera that can be used as a webcam, and there's no videos out there for it. So welcome to this video. But in order to show you what we need to do, I'm going to have to turn you around. So before I actually turn you around, we're going to need some important things. The Elgato Cam Link, I have the 4K version. It is not necessary, but it's also not much more expensive than the other one. And actually, I'm pretty sure they're the same price. You will also need an HDMI cable. I was going for pretty. This is a little HDMI to mini HDMI. Come on, you can focus. I believe in you. So you can see that this is the HDMI port, and this is the mini HDMI. It has a different shape. The adapter isn't necessary if you get a cable that is HDMI to mini HDMI. Then obviously you will need a DSLR of sorts. I am using the Canon 80D with a Sigma 18-35 lens. I tried being pretty, it's not going well. And optionally, a microphone. Any microphone really. These are all the things you're gonna need. You don't need the Canon 80D specifically, but you will need a DSLR with mini HDMI port. So now let's go ahead and get started. I don't know why I expected that to autofocus, but first things first, before we can even do anything with that, I suggest that we take our cam link and go ahead and plug one end in with the HDMI. On the other end, we are going to put our adapter. So there is our adapter. At this point, we can now turn our camera on. What I typically want to do first is come over to my menu. You'll want to find the little play button looking thing, probably in like the third menu, and you'll want to find control over HDMI. Enable that. You'll also want to come over to your gear icon and come to the second menu, and in auto power off you'll want to scroll all the way down to disable. So that basically covers that. So now we can exit the menu. Next you'll want to hit info until almost everything is gone, until all you see are these white corner boxes. This is also where you'll want to use a lens that has a autofocus and manual focus switch on the lens. You'll just want to switch from autofocus over to manual focus. So needless to say that this solution does not provide you autofocus features, but if you want to use your DSLR as a webcam, you kind of have to sacrifice some things. So as you can see, our bars are now gone. We can now turn our attention to the side of the camera. Open up this flap. We have our mini HDMI port right there, and that's where we will plug that in. And I wanted this to be plugged in so that it would face that way, because I thought the screen would work and then I could see what was on my tiny screen as well, but you don't really get to see what's on your tiny screen on your camera. So that just gets plugged in just like that, and then you take your other end and plug that into your computer. Meet you in the next screen. So now that you have everything set up, you can open up a program like OBS, and you can even use this with FaceTime. When you use a DSLR as your webcam, then it would appear that everything gets flipped sort of, so it acts like an actual webcam. Then over in OBS, I can select video capture device. I already have that selected. Then I can click the gear icon and change it from Face ID or FaceTime HD to Cam Link. Hit OK, and obviously you can see that I still have my white bars, but if I switch it back to manual focus, then those bars are gone, and I can now use my DSLR for a webcam. I pulled up FaceTime as an option, but you could probably also use this in Skype. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give a big thumbs up, and you can see my previous video and click to subscribe to my respective channels in the end card, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.